From addressing SOS appeals on social media to physically visiting hospitals and providing food to COVID patients, Dr. Himani, as a part of COVID Relief Camp by Abhyuday Foundation, in collaboration with Project Raksha by Catalyst Learning Services, did it all. She also held webinars on mental health and helped create a safe space for people where they can share their stories freely. NewsX proudly recognizes second wave superhero Dr. Himani Goyal.
Hello everyone and a warm welcome to Music Second Wave Superheroes. I am Ajasvi Chauhan and today I am joined with Dr. Himani Goyal, who's a physiotherapist and a public health aspirant. Welcome to the show, Himani.
Thank you so much, Ajasvi, and thank you for the introduction. Apart from being a physiotherapist and a public health aspirant, I am also a social worker. For the past 8 months, I have been in this field and I'm looking forward to, working more and contributing more to the society. Thank you.
That's really great, Himani. Also, please, just start by telling our viewers about how you've been contributing and as the second wave of coronavirus hit our nation, how you and your organization have been helping people. Please tell us about that.
I was doing, amplifying the resources, amplifying the leads, which I was getting, helping people getting in touch with the donors. That I was doing in the beginning of the second wave. Then now the information has subsided, like the cases is on decline, so that is not much needed right now. So we have shifted to COVID relief support. So my NGO is providing COVID relief support to infected patients and also to rural families. We are providing protective gears like mask and also sanitizers, and also spreading awareness among them. And also there's this one project I'm associated with. The project is called Project Raksha. It is launched by Catalyst in collaboration with few partners. There are 4 partners and there are volunteers like me who are ambassador of the project. The project's initiative is to leverage the impact of organization which is focused on strengthening the health expansion, or maybe you can say rebuilding the lives and livelihood of those whose lives are impacted by this COVID pandemic, and also expanding the social protection to those who are vulnerable section of our society. So that is the summary of what I'm trying to do.
That's great. I would like to ask you that what was your motivation behind getting into all this? Like you directly started helping people. What was your motivation behind?
The motivation was for me like seeing the cry of help from multifolds of people, like they were in so much need. I know one single person cannot cater to the needs of thousands of or lakhs of people, but if we start on the individual level, we can create an army and then we can do wonders. Like people like you, even if you see Instagram, there are so many people, so many COVID resources pages who came together, and they are verifying resources every now and then you connecting the leads, verified leads, to those who are actually in need of those resources. So yeah, I believe that is what is needed right now. That is the motivation.
Right. That's a great thought, in fact. And I would like to ask you about your organization. Tell us more about that. What exactly it does? How can people associate with it? Are you open to taking volunteers?
I am associated with an NGO named Abhyuday Foundation. The foundation was founded by 2 of the members. One is Advocate Himanshu Maheshwari and the second one is Indrajit Singh Bhati. So those 2 are the founding stones of our foundation, because of whom the foundation is running. We are doing the COVID relief, which I mentioned before. Like we are providing food packets, nutritious packets to those who are actually in need. They are getting medicine and the doctor care, but what else is needed is the positivity and the nutritious food to keep them going. So that is our part of doing what we are doing right now. And also we are kind of conducting small camps, awareness camps or sessions on our Instagram page, or doing one-on-one on individual level. So that will help us in demystifying the myths
because
that
there
are
was a
there.
lot of misinformation around things, especially
So
around vaccine.
yeah, so that is what we were trying to do. Like before, we were trying to demystify the myths about plasma. People were scared to donate plasma, but now when the plasma is out of the picture, now we have focused more on the vaccination part, because people are more skeptical or not very sure or not very acceptable to the vaccine. So we are trying to gather those who have already taken who already took the vaccine, who took their jab, and now we are using their voices to motivate people, so that they will have the authenticity. Okay, that person has taken the vaccine, he is all right, he is doing fine, so okay, we can also go ahead and take our shot. So I believe that will help us in create a little positivity around us, and the vaccine hesitancy will go away with that initiative maybe. And also we are taking volunteers and initiative. Yes, you can reach out to us on our website or through our Instagram page. The website is www.abhyudayfoundation.org, or you can search on us on the Instagram with the username Abhyuday Foundation. You can drop us a DM and we'll reply back to you. We are looking forward to having you there on our platform. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for sharing that information, Mani. Now I would like to ask you about those moments that I'm sure you must have had, like you were directly in touch with some patients and their families. So, like, were there any emotional moments that moved you totally?
There was this time when I got in touch with a patient and he needed some help. So I actually managed to get hold of a lead. And then when I contacted him, he was like, I am so sorry, ma'am. We don't need the lead anymore. My father is no more. So I was like, I was feeling so bad that, okay, maybe I could have been a little faster in searching and verifying the lead, so that maybe that could have helped him. But then I thought, okay, now what's done is done. We can't change anything, but we can, help those who are actually in need, those who can be saved. So that is the motive that kept me going. There were times when people reached out to me and they were like, okay, thank you so much, ma'am. We got the lead and the patient is doing better. That was the key. That was the motive which kept me going to do what I was doing. And because there were times when I felt low of not being able to help, not being able to connect them with the potential donors, that time I felt like, okay, I'm not of any use. But then those little appreciation messages, okay, thank you, the patient is doing good, that kept me going. So I believe people need that kind of appreciation. When someone is doing something, at least appreciate them, so that they will feel, okay, they are doing a great thing and they should keep doing the work they are doing.
That's okay. Also, before this, we were having this this conversation. You mentioned about this fundraiser that you're running for your organization. So, would you like to tell our viewers about that and how they can contribute?
So during this COVID relief, we have created a fundraiser because we are short on fundraisers, and without funds, we can't do anything. So we have created a fundraiser on Millap. You can just go on Millap and search for Help Abhyuday. Then our fundraiser will open up. But in case if you're not able to find the fundraiser, please reach out to us on the Instagram or on our email ID. We'll surely get you the Millap fundraiser link that you can do and donate whatever amount you feel comfortable, be it 50 rupees, 100 rupees, there is no limit. Whatever you feel comfortable, please donate. Even a penny counts so much, because we say ki a penny goes a long way.
Yes, absolutely. I would also request all the viewers of NewsX to really help Abhyuday Foundation do the good work that they're doing. And also, thank you so much, Dr. Himani, for joining us today. And congratulations once again for the good work that you've been doing for the society. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me on this show.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.